go. Let's roll. Watch how we take control. Whole show. The people gon' react. We know you know we got it like that. Hey yo, fuck yeah, we good to go. Let's roll. Watch how we take control. Whole show.
Like, oh no, I can see everything right behind it, so it's not. It always looks more frosted than it really is. The one other incident I had with this kind of setup was at a resort in the Dominican Republic. Years ago, Amber and I got engaged. It was that time. We were walking to the place for dinner, you know, and they were all set up like little townhouses almost.
Play, we commit some heresy. You be Ron Jeremy,
okay, what the fuck is going on here? Road is closed, you dipshit.
You know you got me when I say 6'9", I ain't talking Kakashi.
Okay, go. Whoa.
Hey, dude.
What are you doing? That's a fucking wrong. Okay. Everything about that was wrong.
Blogs, a chat room or two. We set our sights and spent our nights waiting for you.
Fuck you.
Insatiable you.
You do. I think you need to run faster than she ran.
Chuck gave the good advice. I googled it. Run until the killer bees stop chasing you. Seek shelter as soon as possible. And once inside, turn off all the lights.
Oh my God, you gotta turn the
lights off. The lights are on, man. She's watching TV. I love it there. Still looking at her.
They don't stop.
Turn off all the lights.
Turn off the lights. Don't answer your phone. The bees will call.
Oh. Sometimes I forget that when I was in high school, before I started going to the gym, watch out.
I know.
Jesus Christ. That was good. There's more.
I look just like him.
These color lines will make you break, you make you choose a side. These color lines, these color lines.
I follow Pearl Street Tattoo and Aaron on
And Aaron?
Aaron, Arran. It's the owner or the owner's wife.
No. Say all that again.
Both. Want some turf? Got some turf. What about a beach plum?
Okay. What you doing, man?
Being an asshole.
Right.
fuck are you doing?
Being an ass. He just honked at him, too.
Jesus, dude.
Well, little did she know.
That's ballsy, bro.
Yep.
Okay, well, you gotta go fast.
It's a bike lane, dude.
There is, in fact, a bike lane.
Not gonna use it.
Not gonna use it. There you go. Jesus.
Plug in, damn it.
Come on, bitch. Everybody parents got divorced. Bunch of kids have free lunch and child
That's the
support.
wrong
Lots
way,
of
bud.
moms on food stamps and campground sites. And you're still whining about your life? That's right. You were supposed to fade out.
Settle the revenant when I get it in. Settle in, perfect specimen. Let me in. Yeah, 1009 and I'm still that shit. Get on stage and I kill that shit. If you're a little bit literate, brother, you can feel that shit. That's brick by brick.
What the fuck are you doing?
Okay, alright. Damn, dude.
Hypocrite, I told her that's accurate all night.
Oh, buddy.
So you hide it in a dance song. Cover up the skeleton.
Okay. What? Whoa! What the fuck is going on? Fuck the asshole. Dude, what are you doing? Jesus, taxi?
Looks like he's getting the jump on him though. He must be like a legitimate badass. Just don't kill his dog. Whatever you do, probably dead.
Okay.
Look out. Big mistake. Here's something different. Permanent remote jobs are now becoming more common in this post-pandemic era. There are upsides though, and there are downsides.
After it was done. During this time, staff and patients at the hospital have mistakenly been using toilet water for drinking and washing their hands. Our toilet water's the same.
Oh yeah, so he'll just have to walk to me and just gets down and walks through the crowd. Hi, bud. But yeah, so that was the whole thing. Like he like, oh yeah, so he'll just have.
I've been busy fucking with your ghost, but I'd rather have the real you.
Dude, this is a one-way. What the fuck? To work in a school district, your kid probably goes to that school. Or at least that district.
And last year he was arrested
Blowing up my
for
phone. Okay.
DUI. You can't go.
What the hell, man?
You can go now. Impatient fucker.
Huh?
Earth, why you do this?
Earth.
Why you do this? All y'all
Guys, you have
bitches
a stop sign. What are you doing? Every one of you fucking ran a stop sign.
Like, got him, beat him up in the back, and then sent him over to the end.
Yeah, I think security would be tougher at one of those events than.
And me and James, like, we were talking about it yesterday, and it's like, the guy tried to do a wrestling move to a man, not realizing that half of wrestling happens.
Sometimes it's you and we choose to see, cause what it used to be this ain't what it used to be. And I turn up poverty with this human beings. Got a living purpose like a swimmer to the surface. It's a push to make it work and keep breathing. You gotta keep moving, move with me.